The British Army has urged in a new era of artillery capability with the acquisition of the Archer 155mm Well self-propelled howitzer. Developed by Sweden's BAE Systems Hägglunds, the Archer system represents a significant leap in mobility, firepower, and automation compared to its predecessors. With all 14 units delivered by July 2024 as part of an interim solution following the transfer of AS-90 howitzers to Ukraine, the Archer is now a cornerstone of the UK's modern artillery force. The Archer was introduced into British service in response to the operational gap created by the gifting of 32 AS-90 systems to Ukraine in 2023. Delivered between October 2023 and July 2024, these howitzers were rapidly integrated into the arsenal of the 19th Regiment Royal Artillery. This regiment, a key element of the UK's fire support capability, recently showcased the Archer's potential during Exercise Dynamic Front 2024 in Finland. Dynamic Front, a NATO-led exercise involving 28 nations, provided the first opportunity for the British Army to test the Archer in a live-fire combat environment. The 19th Regiment demonstrated its ability to deploy and engage targets with precision, highlighting the system's advanced features and seamless integration into NATO's strategic framework. The Archer stands out for its automation, mobility, and precision. With an automated loading system capable of firing up to 16 rounds in 2 minutes, the Archer can deliver rapid and sustained firepower. This capability reduces crew workload and enhances response times. Its 155mm L-52 gun can fire standard rounds up to 30 km and extended range projectiles up to 50 km, providing a significant standoff capability. Compatibility with guided munitions, such as the bonus anti-tank round, further enhances its operational flexibility. Mounted on a Volvo A30D articulated chassis, the Archer can traverse challenging terrains and relocate quickly to avoid counter-battery fire, a critical feature in modern dynamic battlefields. The advanced fire control system allows for rapid and accurate target engagement, integrating data from multiple sources to ensure pinpoint accuracy. The armored cabin shields the 3-person crew from threats, ensuring survivability in hostile environments. Comparison with regional competitors, the Archer competes directly with other European self-propelled artillery systems, including the Germany's PZH-2000. While the PZH-2000 offers superior ammunition capacity and a slightly longer range, its track design lacks the mobility of the Well Archer, making it less adaptable to certain terrains. The front Caesar. Similar to the Archer in being wheeled and automated, the Caesar is lighter and more easily air transportable. However, the Archer's fully automated loader and armored cabin provide greater crew protection and faster firing rates. The Poland's Krab. The Krab is a track system with compatible range and firepower, but its design prioritizes heavy battlefield use over rapid deployment capabilities of the Archer. The Archer's deployment underscores the British Army's commitment to modernizing its artillery capabilities in alignment with NATO's strategic goals. Its ability to provide rapid and precise fire support makes it ideal for both conventional warfare and asymmetric conflicts. The Archer also enhances interoperability with NATO forces, as demonstrated during Dynamic Front 2024. The system's flexibility extends beyond traditional combat roles. With its standoff capabilities, mobility, and precision, the Archer can support peacekeeping missions and humanitarian operations, providing a multi-mission capability crucial for modern military forces. The Archer is seen as an interim solution as the UK developed its remote control howitzer system. However, its advanced design and proven performance may influence the long-term artillery strategy of the British Army. With ongoing upgrades in munitions and fire control systems, the Archer could remain a relevant and valuable asset even as new technologies emerge. The successful integration of the Archer marks a pivotal step in the UK's artillery modernization. By enhancing firepower, mobility, and precision, the system not only fills a critical gap left by the AS-90, but also positions the British Army at the forefront of modern artillery warfare. As geopolitical tensions persist and NATO emphasizes collective defense, the Archer will play a crucial role in ensuring the UK's readiness for future conflicts